So here we have a question. It's 16 divided by 12. Then 12 divided by 16, right? So now we can write this question like 16 divided by 12. Then it's divided by 12 upon 16, right? Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same. So 16 upon 12. Now C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction 12 upon 16 is equal to 16 upon 12, right? Now 16 divided by 4 is 4 and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Here is also 4 upon 3, right? So now we 4 upon 3 times 4 upon 3. Now 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Then 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 16 upon 9, right? If you like this solution, please like, share, and subscribe the Directly Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.